Okay, this video is looking at solving a problem with a quadratic equation, which we have up here, where we have a coefficient of x of m plus 4 and a constant of 4m plus 1. And it gives us the important information that the quadratic has equal roots. That's your key into this question. You're going to be using the discriminant b squared minus 4ac. If it has two real roots, then that must be greater than 0. If it has no real roots, it must be less than 0. If it has two equal roots, as here, it must be equal to 0. So all we need to do is get our values of b, a and c and sub them in. Well, b is the coefficient of x, that one there, and c is our constant there. A, which we've got from the x squared, is clearly just 1. So all I've got to do is sub these into b squared minus 4ac equals 0, and then solve that, and that will allow me to complete part A. So if I substitute those in, b squared will be m plus 4 squared. Very important I leave the brackets in because I'm going to square the whole thing. M plus 4 minus 4. A is just 1, so 4 times 1 is still 4. And then c, from the equation above, is 4m plus 1. And as I've shown here, it equals 0. All I've got to do now is expand any brackets, and I should end up with this equation. So m plus 4 all squared, I'm going to get m squared plus 4m plus another 4m, so that's plus 8m, and 4 times 4 gives me 16. Be a little bit careful with the negative here, it's subtracting 4 lots of 4m plus 1, so I'm going to get minus 16m, and I'm also going to get minus 4 lots of 1, so minus 4, which equals 0. Now I've just got to simplify my algebra to get m squared plus 8m minus 16m, it's going to be with minus 8m plus 16 minus 4 gets me plus 12 equals 0, as shown here. So I know I'm correct because I can go back and check it. Part B, hence find the possible values of m, just means solve this quadratic. So it looks fairly straightforward, so I'm going to try and factorise it into two brackets, which must have m at the start of them to get my m squared. Still equals 0 when I factorise it. So I need two numbers that are going to multiply to get 12, add to make a negative 8. And if they multiply to make positive, add to make a negative, it's going to have to be two negatives. That's the only possible conclusion. So the two numbers that multiply to make 12 and add to make negative 8 would be minus 2 and minus 6. So that's the factorisation. So therefore the possible values of m, if these two multiply to make 0, would be m equals 2 or m equals 6. Solutions. And easy 5 marks is in the bag.